Hello, I'm Jamie. Welcome to my tutorial video. This video is a step-by-step process on how to use Messenger bot as an e-commerce store. In your dashboard, select e-commerce and click e-commerce store. Select Create Store. Fill out the form and provide the needed information in creating your e-commerce store. Click on the Create Store button. The store has been created successfully. To create a category, go to the Categories option at the right panel of the dashboard. Now click on the Add Category button. Instantly, a pop-up form will appear. Now select your page and click on Add Category. Write down the category name. Click on the Save button. Anyway, you can create many categories. All the categories with Edit, Delete, and Status buttons will be listed on the page. By clicking on the Edit and Delete button, you can edit and delete the category. You can also see the status of the category active or not. Add the attribute. Click on the Attributes option at the right panel of the dashboard. And a page will appear with the Add Attribute button at the top of the page. Now click on the Add Attribute button. Instantly, a pop-up form will appear. Now select your store. Write down the attribute name. Provide attribute value in comma separated. Enable or disable any of the three radio buttons called Multi-Select, Optional, and Active as you see. Click on the Save button. As for the Multi-Select button, you have to keep in mind that you can't enable the Multi-Select button for the attributes like size, because a product can't be small, medium, and large at the same time. It is not logically possible. As for the optional button, if you enable the optional button, your clients have the option of not selecting attribute values for a specific product. If a client doesn't select an attribute value, they will order the product of the default attribute value. But if you disable the optional button, the clients must choose an attribute. Otherwise, he or she can't order the product. By the Active button, you can make the attribute active or inactive. The functionalities of the other two buttons are a bit complicated to understand. If you enable the Multi-Select button, your clients can select the multiple attribute values for a specific product. On the other hand, if you disable the Multi-Select button, a client can only one attribute value for a specific product. Like the category option, after you have added one or more attributes, the attributes will appear on the page. Then, you can add as many attributes as you want. From the page, you can edit and delete any attribute and can see the status of the attributes, the attribute is active or not. After you have added categories and attributes, add some of your products that could be included in categories and attached to the attributes. Click on the products and add product. Fill out the form. Click the Save button. Likewise, you can add thousands of products, and all the products will be shown on the page. And you can edit, delete and clone the products. And see the product page of the product by the Action button. Also, you can see the price and status of whether the product is active or inactive. Now you have to make a checkout setting for your store. Messenger bot e-commerce store has integrated some online payment methods like PayPal, Stripe, Molly, Razorpay, Paystack, so that your customers can easily pay via the payment methods. Besides, it supports manual payment and cash-on-delivery systems. Now you can make a specific checkout setting for a specific store. To make a checkout setting, click on the Checkout settings. Fill out Checkout Integration form, providing your account information. Then you will get a checkout payment option. From here, enable any online payment methods and manual checkout for your store. And cash on delivery is enabled by default. Now you can make a specific checkout setting for a specific store. After that, you will get the currency and label option. From here, select your currency. Then you will see, in a row, 3 radio buttons called Right Alignment, 2 Decimal, and Display Comma. Hover your mouse over the tooltips of the buttons to see the functionality of the buttons. You can alter the label of the Buy Now button and store pickup title. Then came the tax and delivery charge option. Here, you have to provide the amount of tax in percentage and delivery charge. Then comes the address preference area. If you enable the store pickup button, the clients receive the products directly from your store. On the other hand, if you disable the store pickup button, you have to provide a delivery address. And if you enable the delivery note button, your clients can send a delivery note on how they want the delivery. You can also determine which fields your clients have to provide in the delivery address by disabling and enabling some radio buttons. If you know the area of your clients, you don't need to bother your customers to provide their countries, states and cities. On the other hand, if you are uncertain about the area of your customers, let them fill out their exact addresses. Well, enable and disable them as you see fit. Now click on the Save button. If you enabled the store pickup option, you have to set the delivery points. To do this, you have to add point names and point details. To add a delivery point, click on the delivery points. Then, add point. Fill up a pop-up form providing points name and points number and click on the Save button. Delivery point name means the specific location inside your store from where the customer will receive their products. And delivery point details means the exact position of the location. If you want to give discounts on some specific products, coupons are required. To add coupons, click on the coupons at the right panel of the dashboard. Fill out the form. First, in the store field, select your store name. Then in the products field, specify the products the coupon will be applicable. In Messenger Bot, an e-commerce store, you can make 3 types of coupons, such as %, fixed cart, and fixed products. Now you have to decide what kind of coupon you want to make by enabling one of the 3 radio buttons. But before proceeding, you have understood the characteristics of each type of coupon. Coupon amount: you have to provide the amount for the coupon. Depending on the discount type you choose, the coupon amount will be a fixed value or percentage. Enter the amount without a currency unit or a % sign, which will be added automatically based on the discount type you choose. For example, enter 10 for $10 or 10%. Coupon expiry date: the date coupon should expire and can no longer be used. Max usage limit: you have to specify the number of times the coupon could be used before reaching the expiration date. Coupon deactivates: by disabling the status button, you deactivate the coupon anytime. Free shipping: if you enable free shipping, the shipping cost will be removed when the coupon is used. On the order page, you can see the full details of the orders given by clients. Besides, you can print the invoice of the order to hand it to your delivery man, and then to your client. To see the details of orders and print the invoices, click the paper icon on the invoice column. Click on Orders in the Action menu instantly. All the orders will be shown on the page. Move the bottom scroll bar to see the whole details of the orders. Then, scroll left to right or right to left to see all the order status. Now you can change the status of the orders. Click on the status field beside the specific order and a drop-down menu with pending, approved, rejected, shipped, delivered, and completed will appear. Now select one of them according to the real status of the order. Click on the Visit Store option to see your virtual store, the interface of your store, the output of your virtual store. This is the e-commerce store using Messenger bot. To copy the different types of URLs to your virtual store, first, click on the Copy URL option, then copy the URL you need. Paste it in the bot settings. You need the URL to integrate your virtual shop to your Facebook page Messenger. If you integrate the virtual store to the Messenger, the client can directly enter your shop by your store by sending a message. To integrate your virtual store to Facebook page Messenger, copy the store URL or product URLs, and go to the Messenger bot features of the Messenger bot. In your dashboard, select Messenger bot and click All Bot Settings. Select Bot Settings and click Actions. Select Facebook page and bot reply settings and click Add bot reply. At first, you have to provide a bot name and keywords in comma separated. Based on the keywords, the bot will reply. Next, you have to select the reply type. To integrate your shop with Messenger, you have to provide URLs copied from the Copy URL section of the store you created. Now select any of the reply types that come with button types that support URLs. Select a text with button reply type and any of the web URL and web view buttons. Select the web view full and a box called Web URL will appear. Paste the URL here. If you provide a store URL, the entire shop will appear inside the Facebook Messenger, whereas for the product URL, the specific product will appear. Clicking the Add More button and Add More reply buttons, you can add more buttons and replies. Moreover, by the Postback button, you can provide products in categories. Now click on the Submit button to save the bot settings for your virtual shop. Bot reply has been added successfully. Click OK. Now the Messenger bot is ready to handle your virtual shop inside the Messenger. That is, your clients can enter your virtual store by sending messages. Just type the keyword of your store. A reply message will appear and click Shop Now to redirect you to its e-commerce store. This is the e-commerce store. The checkout menu. Then they have to make payments to finish the checkout. They can make payments via any of the online payment methods including PayPay and Stripe. Also, they can make payment via manual payment or can choose cash on delivery. Well, just as they finish making payments, a page will appear with a confirmation message at the top and order details in the middle, meaning they have finished purchasing successfully. Using Messenger bot with an e-commerce store for clients is very easy and convenient. The clients can do shopping using the e-commerce store from the convenience of their home or office. Also, they can do shopping in the store but without talking to any person in the shop. Therefore, they don't have to come in direct contact with any person. So they can feel safe from coronavirus while shopping. Subscribe now and click the link below to claim your trial activation code.